Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a new way of making money online with absolutely no investment whatsoever. That's something you can do all over the world and it doesn't really take any skills at all, so really everybody can do it. Let's go!
So the first website you want to go to is called latium.org. So what is latium.org? It's a website where you can find freelancers to do work for you, or you can be one of the freelancers and do work for people and therefore make money online. So once you're there, just join to this website. It's fairly fast. You can join via your email, or if you want to join, you join even more easily. You can do it via Facebook as well. So you just sign up to the website. And once you're in, this is what it looks like. So you can decide to hire or you can decide to work. So in this case, you'll want to work because that's how you will make your money. So you'll get started, you go to I want to work, and you can browse the jobs right here as well, the other freelancers. So here, what we'll want to do, we'll want to do some logo designing. So you'll go here and you can see how much people are charging to create logos. $10, starting $10, 25, 100. It really depends. Let's check this one. I will make two modern logo in 12 hours. So that person is offering that for $10 in 12 hours. So you can join this website and you can as well join another very popular website that is Fiverr. Fiverr is the same type of website. You can do jobs for people or you can hire freelancers. And if we go to logo designs right here, you can see the price varies. This is in Canadian dollar. So it goes from $20 up to a lot more. It depends on the quality, I suppose, of the professional who's designing your logos. So you have really different prices, but as you can see, the lowest price we can see here is $20, which is pretty good for some quick work that you can do. So once you sign up to Fiverr, if you don't already have an account, and latium.org, then you will go to our website that is going to help you to create your logos. So here is one of the websites that you can use to create free logos. It's called freelogodesign.org right here. And again, just sign up to the website. It's accessible everywhere in the world. There's no excuse. Just sign up to this website. You have a lot more different websites that you can use as well for free logos. You have, for example, this other website called Design Evo, but I believe here you will have to pay to save your logo. So this one is free for the version of the logo we want to save, so it's all good. So you just log in. So I'm gonna log in, and I usually log in with Facebook, and here I am in. So as you can see, it's really fast to log in with Facebook if that's what you want to do. And once you're logged in, you can start to create your logo. So let's see, you want to create a logo for a company called let's see, dog fitness, something different. Dog fitness. Let's go and see what they have. So these are the templates that you can choose from, and from there you can customize these templates. So these are not the only designs they have. You can literally design the template. So let's do it together. um, let's pick this one, for example. And okay, we can change the font here. Let's change it to something a little bit different. um, that is good. Dog fitness, let's put this one, and this one, let's change it up as well and put it a little bit. This one looks good. Okay, so here we don't want a chicken, so you'll go just here in the corner and you delete this one, and you want to add a design yourself, so you can simply type dog, and then you have different designs that you can choose from. In this case, we're gonna choose. Let's see if we can find an active dog in this selection of designs we have. Okay, I found one right here that I think is pretty cool. So we're gonna put that one here. You can just size it up. We can, let's see what we can do. We can change the color, maybe like put it fully black, like that. And the outline, let's put it black as well. Actually, this looks good. That's good. Okay, so that's our logo, Dog Fitness. So once you design your logo, you can literally add some more text if you want. You can add some shapes if you want. You can, you can really like customize it however you want. So once you play with it and you make a nice logo that you're happy with, you will simply download it. Very simple. Download the logo. It's gonna take a few seconds until it downloads. And here you have it. Your logo is finished and saved. You can share it on social media or via email, and you can download it here. This is good for a website. Usually people that are going to hire you to create logos, it's mainly for a website most of the time. So this will be something that's good enough, right? If you wanted to go ahead and you really wanted to take this business to the next level and do professional logos for printing and other professional use, you can definitely pay. But if you want to do that, just include the price in the price of your service. So you wouldn't sell a logo for $10 if you decide to go ahead with the professional designs, and you'll have to pay to save the logo with higher quality. That's all. Just pay attention to that. Whatever you want to do, just make sure that you post in your ad that is for website use, so people don't expect anything any better than just 200 times 200 pixels. They won't expect anything high quality for the price. You can even sell it for $5 if you want. I mean, it really doesn't take much time, and if you're creative, you can create really, really cool logos. So you have other website, of course, that you can use to create your logos. This is another one, Hatchful. You have different templates here. So the idea is very simple. You just want to offer your services in different freelancing websites such as Fiverr. You have Latium.org, and here you can just post your services, put your price, and that's it. You just need to wait for work to come to you. You can also select people that are looking for freelancers to create logos for them, and you can just offer your service, and if they select you, then there you go, you can make money with it. And you have other websites that you can use as well. You have Upwork, that's another one where You can offer your services, your freelancing services, this one, and same, you can hire people as well. So those are very popular websites. You probably have a lot more websites, but these are the ones that I have in mind that are very, very popular. So I believe you can find work very easily, and you can make money off these websites fairly easily as well, because there's a lot of traffic going into these websites. So that's the idea. As you can see, everybody can do it, because these websites that are helping you to create logos are super user friendly. They're so easy to use that you don't need any skills to do it, and you have multiple websites that you can choose from, and you can go from there. So this is one idea that you can look into to make money online with no money at all.
I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And as you know, I'm always trying to find some new ways of making money online with absolutely no money at all. And you know, my favorite way is always affiliate marketing, because this is truly passive income. Even though I find different other ways of making money online, you still need to trade your time for money. And for now, the only way of making money online passively that I found is affiliate marketing. So if you do want to know a little bit more about that, you can click the link below this video and find out more information, get my free ebook, and see if that's something that would suit you. And if it does, give it a try and see how it goes for yourself. And I'm always here to help. If you have any questions whatsoever, just ask away. And that's all for today. I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. See you guys.